Welcome back to another quick 8482 tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain from GoDaddy.com. So once you get to GoDaddy.com, you'll see in the top search domain bar, you can simply type for any domain that you want to see if it's available. So we're going to go ahead and let's type getnunchucks.com. You can also just type getnunchucks, and we can see if this domain is available. So if it is available, you're going to see, it's going to say your domain is available, getnunchucks.com. If it's not available, you'll see other options for other domains that are similar that you can purchase. So once you've found your domain, just go ahead and click continue to cart, and you can start the checkout process. So this is very simple. You're just going to go ahead and select how many years you would like your domain registration for. Let's start with 1. You can get domain protection. So this is going to kind of protect your personal information and ownership of the domain. And if you want, you can get, professional email that you can link up to a Gmail account so that you can have your name at getnunchucks.com, for example. But in this case, we're just going to go ahead and purchase the 1-year domain registration, and you can check out with PayPal or credit card, however you like. Let's go ahead and click PayPal. Go ahead and put in your billing information, your payment, and click complete purchase. And there you go. GetNunchucks.com is officially ours. Hopefully this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are looking for short, simple tutorials online, and thanks for watching.